Hi there, I'm Laura. Welcome to Sewing Up Style. In last week's video, I had mentioned that I was going to be sewing up some hats for some cancer patients, including my mother. She's going to, well, she started chemotherapy yesterday. And at the time, before last week, we thought for sure she was going to lose her hair. Now it looks like maybe she won't be losing her hair, but I decided that I was going to go ahead and make her some hats, and I would go ahead and make up some hats for some other people if the cancer center wanted them. So I asked my mom, when you go for your chemo, would you please ask them if they would accept donations? Because I thought maybe they wouldn't. She told me she'd already talked to the lady and had mentioned that I was going to be doing some hats for her and for other people. And the lady at the office, maybe the office manager, a nurse, I have no idea who, but they were very excited at the idea. They thought that was a wonderful idea and that would be very helpful to people. So I am very excited to continue with this project, and I was very excited that a couple of you last week expressed some interest in sewing up some hats for some cancer patients in your own homes or hometowns. So I thought to help you and see if anybody else might like to join us, I would show you some of the hat patterns that I have that you might be interested in if you wanted to go pick up a pattern from Joann's, or there are also some tutorials online for bucket hats and flat caps and things like that I will link in the description box below so that you can find those, and they're for free. So that's always good, right? Free is good. Before I continue though, I did want to mention that I have been working on, I was trying to get the most recent You Asked For It video, where I put out a community poll and you guys choose what I make. I last did that in September, and then I've just been so busy. I haven't had a chance to sew anything up off of that wall back there. And so I was working on that this week, and I did not get far enough along to be able to do a video for tomorrow, Friday. So I did want to let you know though that Vogue 1729 won. It's these pants. They're turning out very cute, but I just am to the point where I've attached the two legs, the legs to each other, and I just need to sew up the crotch and the inseam and put on the waistband, which it does have a zipper. So there's a little bit more to do. I'm hoping maybe I can get them done tomorrow and then get a video up for you on these on Saturday, because my February is already completely booked. Like every week I have something, and on top of that I've got my live stream. So I'm very busy with sewing right now. So look for this video this weekend sometime. Okay, let's talk about hats. The first pattern, let's see. I've done this once and I didn't like how it turned out, so I'm re-recording. The first one is Simplicity, 9937. It's just this hat. There's these very cute little bags and boxes in here. It's just this big floppy hat. You can see right there. You know, you might not think that that would be a good thing to sew in winter time, but I can imagine if you had a really cute, happy, floppy hat, and even if it was made out of a flannel maybe on the inside to keep your head warm, it might make you very happy to wear it back and forth to chemotherapy. My aunt had, she passed away from cancer, but she had, when she was going through chemotherapy, she had different red hats. She was the Red Hat Club. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but yeah. Okay, McCall's 7766. There's all kinds of funky little cool cute hats, and they're very easy to make because I have made this one. It's right here. It's asymmetrical. It actually, you are supposed to put on a hat band, and then this asymmetrical side curves up, and then you put a bow here. I did not want any of that. You can see there's the bow. I did not want any of that. I just wanted the hat. And now for some reason it's too tight. I don't understand why it's tight. I've gotten a big head. No, I'm joking. So, but yeah, that's what it is. It took me maybe 2 hours to make it once it was cut out. But the pieces even, there's 1, 2, 3 pieces, but then it's 6 because you're doing it twice because it is lined. So very easy. My hair's like all flat now. Sorry you have to look at me in this state. Simplicity, there's only one hat here that you could really use. The rest of them are Simplicity. Can't see that because of the light. 96.58. Just this one. It's just a basic bucket hat. The rest of these are, I mean, like, this would defeat the purpose. The top of your head would be open, and that's where you lose most of your heat. So you could, I guess, make a flap hat, but yeah. There's a scarf in here that you have a zipper and you can put money in. I might need to make that just because. Then there is McCall's 5773. I like this one. It's very cute. It's like a bucket hat, but it's got a shorter brim. Then there's these 2 berets, which are awfully cute. This one has more of a full crown, so it drapes over further. This one is more of a shorter kind of crown, and so it doesn't drape very much at all. I think I would like to make this one and maybe this one for cancer patients. I'm going to let my mom decide what she wants me to make for her. But I think that would be really good. You could make it, let's see, what are the recommended? Fleece, wool, gabardine. So those typical, but yeah. Simplicity 9505. Again, some big floppy hats, some bicycling hat, I think is what that is. I've cut this out like twice and never sewn it up, so that might be something to do. This would defeat the purpose again, but these 2 especially would be cute for wearing into the store or things like that. Then there's this Laura Ashley hat, 9814. I bought it for the bags, but there is a very cute hat here, and it's got that cute little split. I think it's adorable. The back doesn't show the front either. I guess it's just assumed that it's exactly the same without the split. The cute little bow though, isn't that cute? Okay, and then my favorite hat pattern is 8573. It's like the cloche, I think they're called cloche hats, C-L-O-C-H-E. And the hats of the 1920s, that's kind of the vibe here, this especially. So they're very cute. So adorable. I might make one for myself. When I take the dogs out for a walk, it would be perfect. Although today it was like 60 degrees. I don't know what's going on with the weather. It was like in the single digits last week, and now it's 60 this week. I don't know. I'm enjoying it. I can't tell you that I'm not, but it's kind of concerning. It's kind of concerning actually. Okay, Simplicity. And then last but not least is Vogue 8869. So men's hats, maybe you do, but I usually don't think about men. I mean, I know men go in for cancer treatment. I've had lots of clients that have been in for cancer treatment, but I just never really think about their needs or hats or things like that for men. So it might be fun to make maybe a fedora. I have some tweed that would be really cute as a fedora. As a bucket hat, it would be really adorable. So yeah, I'm thinking I'm going to make at least one men's hat. I will put a couple of different websites for free hat patterns and tutorials about how to make them down in the description box below. And I guess that's kind of it. If you are interested in maybe sewing a hat or two, for people who are undergoing cancer treatment. Please go ahead and do that. And then just send me your photos of your hats to my email by March 15th, and I will compile all of that information and the photos and everything into a video here on YouTube. And then I will also do a Instagram reel for all of the different pictures, you know, that people have sent. Thank you for stopping by and watching this video. And I hope that you will kind of check out the You Asked For It video on this weekend. And I think that's about it. I hope you have a great weekend, and I will hopefully see you on Saturday with the You Asked For It video, or on Sunday at the live stream that happens at 11 o'clock Central Standard Time, where we'll just sew up stuff and talk and chat and have a good time, okay? Thank you so much for watching, and I will just see you maybe this weekend. Bye.